Hi, this is Swarnali Ghosh, Shreya Saha and Saptarshi Ghosh presenting a project on Python. Its name is Photo Master, one-stop solution for any photo editing. So some of its application is we can use it for professional photo editing. We can use it for e-commerce product image preparation, and also we can use it for event photography and invitations. So first we start, then we choose an option, then we capture or upload an image. Basically, we have to import a high quality image for the editing purpose. Then we can adjust the image, which is optional. Like we can adjust the brightness, the contrast, and the color balance. Then we can manually crop it. Like we can crop the desired size and aspect ratio to optimize them for different platforms. Then we have to confirm the image. Basically, we have to review and approve the edited image before proceeding to the further steps. Then remove the background. Basically, the object gets isolated and the background gets removed. Then we can apply any filter to the object, which is also optional. Like we can add any visual effects or filters to enhance the image aesthetics. Then merge object and background. So basically, the object get combines with the selected background. So then we can add any text if we want, or we can just ignore it. So finally, we have to save it, and that's it. And that's how you can get your result. And that's how we can use our photo master. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to be talking briefly about our project. So this is a Python-based project. It allows the user to click on photo using webcam, process the photo by removing its background, and then allows the user to apply various filters to the image and finally save the final result. So there are many input libraries which have been used in this project to do various tasks such as CV2 is used to capture the image. RAMBG is used for removing the background. ECG is used to select the file you are going to be working with. Um, PIL, which is pillow, is used for adding filters, image adjustment, etc. So the main feature of this project is to capture or upload an image. It allows the user to either click a photo using webcam or upload an existing image. It allows the user to manually crop the image, then image adjustment, provides real-time adjustment for brightness, contrast, warmth, fade, etc. So the user can choose accordingly. It allows the user to remove the background. The RAMBG library is used to do that. Filters and object for and filters for object and for full image. So the user can apply filters like blur, sepia, sharpen either to the object or to the entire image, and then they can add text to the image. So the user can um, choose the font size, choose the color of the text, and adjust the position of the text accordingly, and then finally save the final result. So now let's start running the code. Saptarshi is going to be running the code. So at first user is greeted with a welcome message. Then they are prompt with either they can click an image using webcam or upload an image. So now the webcam is capturing his image. This is the preview of the image. Now he can crop the image as per his requirement. After capturing the image, after cropping the image, he can adjust the image brightness, contrast, saturation according to his choice. So after confirming the adjustment, the background is removed. Now he can choose a new background. Now filters can be applied to the object. According to his choice, there are various options such as blur, sharpen, sepia. He can apply filter to the object itself or to the entire image. There is a loop which will go on until the user is completely satisfied. Now he can write a text which he is going to be adding to the image. He can choose the font size and the color. Now he can adjust the text as his choice. So this is the final result. Now they will ask whether you are completely satisfied or not. If the user is satisfied, they will click yes and finally save the image. So the result dot png is going to save the image, and so this is our final output. And thank you everyone for being there in our project. So, Ms. Shreya Saha, Saptarshi Ghosh, and Swarnali Ghosh has put equal efforts for this project, but Saptarshi Ghosh has worked for removing the background. I have worked for adding the filters, and Swarnali Ghosh has worked for adding the text as well as cropping the image. Thank you everyone.